Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my new hack. These are 3D printed parts. In description below I will put link if you want to make this 3D printed mini soldering station. Yes, this will be mini soldering station. Beside the 3D printed parts, you will need this DIY kit soldering station, this is the only connector that you will plug in and power up with 12, it says from 12 to 24 volts DC in. The yellow wire is grounding, the red is positive, the black is negative. Just look the board. This is high quality printed circuit board with PCB assemble. That means that all these parts are placed by a robot, and this kind of printed circuit boards offer PCB Way. PCB Way is a full-feature PCB prototype company that can offer printed circuit boards and PCB assemble, SMT and THT double-side, PCB design service all together. For more info about making and prototyping this kind of high-end quality printed circuit boards, check the link below. PCB Way. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Now let's continue with the project, which is 3D printed soldering station with, of course, DIY kit that I purchased from eBay. I wait how much? 68 days. The links for the soldering iron and the soldering station board, I will put the link below. This soldering iron works from 12 up to 24 volts DC voltage. The circuit diagram for wiring the soldering station is also in link below. Okay. The soldering station kit PCB is this one with LED segment, rotary potentiometer. This trimmer is for calibrating the temperature, the connector for the soldering iron. In the kit is also the LED, the switch, tilt switch, and the knob for the potentiometer. Let's build it, this soldering station, right now. The 3D printed mini soldering station is finished. Turned out pretty amazing. This is the DC jack that comes from DC power adapter from old laptop that gives 19 volts and 2 amps. When I plug in the soldering station, power up. The LED, this one, means that the heater is working, and with this knob you can choose one temperature from 200 up to 480 degrees. Very nice. Very simple design, and it's mini design for soldering station that I like it because it's very compact and look very nice, these 3D printed parts. Once again, I will put all the links in the description below, and that's it will be for today's project. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and become a tuber. Bye.